What the hell?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, that's why. That's why.
I hate this motherfucker. What are you doing?
Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Have you ever seen like those clear, transparent discs with the geometric shapes on them and everything? Yep, those are great. I got several. Yep, I got something in my
Citizens Property Insurance. Whether recovering or preparing, Citizens is available. Claims can be tracked at citizensfla.com or reported by calling a live Citizens representative.
The Wren's Nest Gift Shop at Native Nurseries, offering nature-inspired gifts, locally made.
By less, I mean 99.9% less me. No, you know this. Go ahead. I totally forgot this right when I brought it up. But it's not.
Fuck, dude! Jesus fucking Christ!
The fuck? What the hell? Gago. Ang wrong way na. That shit crazy. Oh shit. Fucking kidding?
Or surgery. Eat real food, lose weight, and look and feel your very best. That feeling can be yours. What's the secret? Well, call Eastside Weight Loss Clinic, 4255-2250-70. EastsideWeightLossClinic.com, 4255-2250-70.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.